getting another install video done before going to work. Today gonna put the Vance Hines mufflers on the Bobber Black, and yeah, show you the tools that I use, do a quick sound check before I do it. Don't want the bike and exhaust to get too hot, and then do the install in the middle and then show you what it sounds like after. So yeah, let's go. So tools are a 5mm Allen key, 12mm socket, and a 10mm socket. So this will be for the middle mount, which is right under here. The 12mm is for the mount right underneath here. And then the 10mm is for the band clamp that holds it to the catalytic converter. So this will be with the cats in. Don't plan on taking it out. So finally have them on, and when I say finally, I mean it's only been like maybe 20 minutes, but have both sides on. Gonna start it up for you guys. Ended up needing a little pick to get that rubber grommet in the hole, but yeah, the left side was actually way easier than the right side to me, which it wasn't even super difficult. The hardest part was trying to get this cover to make this look like one pipe pulled out far enough to actually get the muffler out. On the left side, the other side, this separates right here, so it actually makes it way easier to get the other side out. But yeah, very happy with it. And yeah, didn't take too long. I am going to start it up for you guys. So let's see what it sounds like. So yeah, there you guys go. Definitely recommend it. I think they sound really good. The first time cranking, well, the only time cranking it up for like half a second, I was like, wait, they kind of sound the same. But then once the cold start happened and then it started idling down a little bit, you can really start hearing the throatiness of it. And both exhausts, I only ended up revving it up to just under $3,000. Essentially doing the cold start with a stock exhaust. Didn't want to warm the motor or exhaust up too much, so just did soft revs as well as with the new one. So yeah, super excited. Could only find these in one location, which was Mosites Motorsports up in Pittsburgh, PA. And yeah, talked to Emily, super nice lady. Ordered them 2 days ago, the evening 2 days ago, and already have them on my bike, and they were shipped and everything. Yeah, highly recommend calling there, as well as Britt at Chesapeake Cycles. Both were super helpful. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.